My dad-in-law lives in a province far, far away. We only see him once a year, if that. But he's turning 80 this year. Therefore, we decided to treat him. This is that story. My father-in-law has always loved nature and animals. We decided to go to a game farm. It felt like the apt decision or the apt thing to do. Since all of his children are spread all over the country, one in Gauteng, one in the Northern
Sharp
Province,
right.
and us in the Western Cape, we decided to meet somewhere in the middle, the Klein Karoo of all places.
Continue for 5 kilometers.
So this is our little house. It's a 10 sleeper. Oh, here's our little pool.
Mens kon sien hy sê
Wow, little
welkom
jacuzzi. Okay. Hoeveel het is het warm? Koud? Okay. So we can get in just like that.
Ja,
We
nou
don't
ons
need
light die rider nie.
we don't need to warm it. Okay, so yes.
So we mustn't light it up. It's really warm.
This is already warm. Okay. So there's wood for us. I don't know if we're allowed to use it. Okay. Oh, it's nice and cool inside. Look at this beautiful ceiling. Okay, a 8-seater table. A little welcoming board. The kitchen. Wow, this is beautiful. There's some stairs going up. Nice wide passage. Okay. Okay, then another room in here. 2 double beds. Okay, this one looks out on the front stoop. And also a shower. Then double bed, single, little sitting area, shower. Okay, so all of the bathrooms they have a shower, a loo and a sink. Okay, so this is what the third bedroom. Okay, and then the last bedroom. It's got 3 beds in there. And then shower and a loo. So what, 4 bedrooms. The outfit of the day. Pants I bought yesterday in Paternoster, and then an old top of mine, and then my new kakatoes or kakatoos. Okay, this is quite nice. Lekker groot huis, nie man?
Dis 'n huis hier. Yes? What? Where did you put it? Wasn't it I asked you and then you said it's in the box, so where's the box? I know I'm subscribed, so it can't just be two. Okay, so it's about 10 to 10 now, and we were still sitting outside. And then we decided to come to bed, and Abby was still the last one outside locking up. And then I don't know who chased who, if he chased the bat or if the bat chased him. But now we've got a bat in our room. Abby is hiding outside of the room, and my mom, my boy, and I are in the room. The bat's getting tired. Flying around in circles, and we are trying to get it out of the room.
But it's never going out.
Unsuccessfully thus far. Aww.
It's hurting itself.
Yes, because it's scared. I almost thought it was going out.
What is it now?
It keeps on missing the window, the door.
Kan ek nie hier oopmaak nie.
Nee, maar funny.
Hoe?
Ja, daddy.
Is hier so by die kant net hier.
Ja, daddy, maar
Nee, daar's 'n ding waar jy oopmaak kan ek oopgaan.
maar ek kan hom nie oopmaak nie.
Nee, aan die kant net hier.
Wat is
Hier so wie?
Good morning. It's our first full morning here. It's Tuesday today. Just woke up. Or actually, just got up. I've been awake since 5. Can't fall asleep again. So I got up now, just drinking some water and taking in the beauty of nature around me. Just listen to the little birds. We filled our days with
Let him lean there. Good morning, friends. It is Wednesday and we are doing a little game drive this morning. So the kids just got onto the one vehicle, and then my hubby and I and his dad is in the one vehicle. So the dad is in the front of the bakkie on the inside, and then my hubby's sister is also getting in on the inside of the other vehicle. So they went to go pick her up at their unit, and then we're going on the game drive. I'll take you along with us. If I'm not mistaken, this was 600 Rand for the vehicle. Now I'm not sure if we have to pay 600 Rand per vehicle because we're using two vehicles, but I think they said 600 Rand for the excursion for 9 people. But I'll confirm that with you later. After our morning safari, we went back home to have some lunch, and my hubby, my mom, and my boy hiding there in the corner. We are on our way to the town now. We are going to go grab our dinner for tonight and maybe have a little look around in Montagu.
Alles van die voorspoed, meneer. Niemand heeft van slaap. Ja, ik ben niet zo weg. Maar we gaan voor ons gaan best doen. En dan moet kom, dan ga je weer.
Seeing that this video is about reaching a big milestone, I just wanted to add that 2025 was a big milestone for me also. Thank you to all of you for subscribing. I am up to 159 subscribers. We went over 16,000 views. I did 137 uploads this year. We got 499 likes, 116 comments, and my most viewed video is my Mauritius resort review. Thank you so much for joining this family. And if you have not yet joined, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.